Where the hell's my car? I can't seem to find my automobile. They seem to have taken it from me. Hello.
Yeah, we're here.
Hello, I am Arthur.
Yeah, we figured that much out.
I race cars, play tennis, and fondle women, but I have weekends off and I am my own boss. Hey, where the hell's my car? Don't you hate me as Giuliani?
Well, a lot of people do.
I can't believe they took my car. I should have let Bitterman drive.
Whoa, Arthur. What happened?
Hello?
Yeah, what happened?
What, with my car? I was on my way to Long Island to see Susan.
Yeah.
You know, in the right light, she's quite beautiful.
Yeah.
But you can't always depend on that light. You know, Susan said a real woman could keep me from drinking. It would have to be a real big woman.
Arthur! Keep falling down, you alright?
Hi, Linda.
No.
Don't you hate Perry's wife?
Yeah, we all do.
Hobson is very angry with me.
Yeah.
When the officer stopped me, I fell out of the car. Is that the funniest thing you ever heard of? I fell out of the car. Bitterman, do you want to double your salary? Well, then open that door. I think now I should be going to the hospital. All right, then. Hey, where the hell's my car? Hello? Hobson! Can you believe it? I dropped the phone. This is the funniest thing you ever heard.
Everything you say is funny.
How do I get my car back?
I don't know.
Is there a way to get my car back? That was my favorite car.
Yeah?
Number 452. I only have 451 now. What should I have them take next? Maybe the rose?
Maybe, yeah.
I'm going to look. Oh, there's my car. There it is. But are your heads? I think now I should be going.
All right.
Hobson's taking the knife out of the cheese. You think he wants a piece of cheese?
Arthur!